students. Today we're going to learn about arranging numbers in order. Again, arranging numbers in order. So we are going to arrange the numbers greater than 100,000. In arranging numbers in order, we are going to learn these two words. First, least. Again, least. Second, greatest. Again, greatest. What is least? The other word for this is smallest, meaning it is the smallest number among the other numbers. What is greatest? Or the other word is biggest. It is the biggest number among the other numbers. Example, arrange the numbers from the least to the greatest. Or arrange the numbers from the smallest to the biggest. So the easy example we have 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Second one, arrange the numbers from the greatest to the least. The easy example we have 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. Here is our example number 1. Arrange the numbers from the least to the greatest. Again, arrange the numbers from the least to the greatest. So we have here the three numbers here, right? 7,178,407. Second one, 70,178,407. The third one, 17,178,704. So we are going to arrange these numbers from the least to the greatest, from the smallest to the biggest. So using the place value table, we are going to place each digit in their proper places. The first number we have 7,178,407. We all know that 7 is in the ones place, 0 is in the tens place, 4 is in the hundreds place, 8 is in the thousands place, 7 is in the 10,000s place, 1 is in the 100,000s place, and 7 is in the millions place. Second number we have 7 ones, 0 tens, 400s, 8,000s, 7 10,000s, 100,000s, 0 millions, and 7 10 millions. The third number, we have 4 ones, 0 tens, 700s, 8,000s, 7 10,000s, 100,000s, 7 millions, and 1 10 millions. As we can observe, the first number has 7 digits. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. The second number, it has 8 digits. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. The same as with the third number, it has 8 digits. Since we are going to arrange the numbers from the least to the greatest, again, from the least means smallest to the greatest means biggest. So we have 7 digits, 8 digits, and 8 digits. As we remember, the smaller the total number of digits, the smaller the value. The bigger the total number of digits, the bigger the value. So we can see here, 7 is smaller than 8. It means this number is the smallest. So we're going to write it down in the first place from the least, which is number 7,178,407. Next, we have the 8 digits left. If they have the same number of digits, we are going to compare the number from the left to the right. From the left, from 10 millions going to the ones place. So let's start with the 10 millions place. We have 7 and 1. Since we are looking for the least, going to the greatest, so least, we all know 1 is smaller than 7. It means this number, 17,178,704, this will be in the second. Okay? It means the remaining number is the greatest number, which is 70,178,407. Another example, arrange the numbers from the least to the greatest. So we have the three numbers here. So let's place all the digits in the proper places using the place value table. First number, second number, and the third number. As we can observe, all the three given numbers, they have 8 digits. Since the total number of digits are equal, so we're now going to compare the numbers from the left, which is the 10 million place, going to the right, which is the ones place. So let's start with the 10 million place. We have 868. So again, from the least to the greatest, from the least meaning smallest. And we all know 6 is smaller than 8. So therefore, this whole number will be the least number, 68,345,133. And two remaining numbers we have 8 and 8, right? So they are the same digit. So let's proceed with the millions place. We have 6 and 3. Again, from the least to the greatest, least. 3 is smaller than 6, meaning this whole number, 83,645,313, will be the second in the line. Okay? The remaining number, automatically, this will be the greatest number, 86,543,133. Example number 3, arrange the numbers from the greatest to the least. Again, from the greatest to the least. So we have here the three numbers. So let's place all the digits in their proper places for the first number, for the second number, for the third number. As we can observe, the first number has 8 digits. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. The second number has 9 digits as well as the third number. Since we are going to arrange the numbers from the greatest to the least, again from the greatest, biggest, to the least, smallest, so we are going to focus here in the 9 digits, the greatest number. Okay, so now let's compare the digit from the left to the right. So let's start with the 100 millions place. We have 5 and 4. We all know 5 is greater than 4. Therefore, this whole number, 504,865,231, this will be the greatest number. Automatically, the second number in line will be 405 million. And we have only one remaining number, so it means that is the least number. Okay? So 65,097,624 is the least number. Last example, arrange the number from the greatest to the least. Again, arrange the numbers from the greatest to the least. Right now, we have 4 numbers. So let's place all the digits in their proper places. Okay, as we can observe, the first number has 10 digits, as well as the second number and the third number. The fourth number has 9 digits. Since we are going to arrange the numbers from the greatest to the least, from the greatest biggest to the least smallest, so greatest is the 10 digits, right? So let's focus with the 3 numbers. Now let's compare the number from the left to the right. So we have 1, 1, 1. So they are the same. So let's move on to the next place, which is 100 millions, 1, 1, 0. As we can see, they are not the same. Means we're going to focus only to the greatest number. So let's focus on the 1, 1. There are 2 numbers, right? So let's move on to the next places. 0, 0. So they have the same. Let's move on again to the millions place. We have 0 and 1. So from here, let's stop because they are not the same. We all know 1 is greater than 0, right? Again, 1 is greater than 0. Therefore, this whole number will be the greatest number. 1,101,887,788. So it means the other number will be the second in the line. We have 1,100,000,001. Now we have only one number that has 10 digits, right? So this serves as also the third in the line. So let's copy 1,000,000,000, 1,000,000. And we have the one remaining number that has only 9 digits. Therefore, this number is the least number, 999,999,999. And that's all for today. I hope you've learned from our discussion. See you in my next video. Goodbye.